Welcome to the Notre Dame NMR Operation and Concepts series. I am Evgenii Kovrigin, a director of NMR Center at the University of Notre Dame. My tutorials will help you master the basic skills and concepts in NMR spectroscopy that you need for your research work. For your NMR training, I will specifically point at our main web portal for Magnetic Resonance Research Center at Notre Dame. The Training and Resources is the section with all our training materials and protocols, as well as links to these video tutorials. There are very many great books on NMR spectroscopy. I will recommend you some, which I personally use. The first is the High Resolution NMR Techniques in Organic Chemistry by Tim Claridge. It came out in 3 editions already, but any one you can get will work for you. If you are a chemist dealing with small to medium-sized molecules, Claridge is your go-to source on everything from experimental description and design to analysis of spectra and structure determination. If you are dealing with biological molecules such as peptides, proteins, and nucleic acids, in addition to Claridge's book, I would use Fundamentals of Protein NMR Spectroscopy by Rule and Hitchens, along with Protein NMR Spectroscopy Principles and Practice by John Kavanagh and others. I recommend everyone to begin with Claridge, as it gives most basic understanding of NMR operation. If you cannot afford to buy this book for yourself, convince your advisor to buy it for the lab. This book is worth the cost. These are great books with very accurate and complete information. However, they are not step-by-step guides. They also don't have specifics of the particular instruments that we use at Notre Dame. Therefore, I designed my tutorial series with intent to help you get to speed with NMR at Notre Dame as quickly as possible, with step-by-step guides for our spectrometers. However, I intentionally give you less detail, just to allow you understand the core principles. Therefore, my presentation of the NMR theory is oversimplified. For accurate details, I highly recommend you to get your hands on one of these books and create time in your schedule to read systematically. The better you get at understanding NMR spectroscopy, the faster you will progress to your research goals. My episodes will first follow the natural sequence of operations to prepare the NMR instrument for acquisition. I will begin with the probe tuning, followed by locking and shimming. Tuning and locking may be done in either order, but the shimming must always be done last. I will continue to acquisition of simple 1D experiments and eventually to all advanced topics we may want to discuss, such as solvent suppression, selective excitation, two-dimensional experiments, and so on. I will appreciate any feedback from you on what may be done better. Enjoy, and I hope it comes useful for you.